I hope this airport hotel can provide shuttle service in the future. Unbox Holiday Inn Express Amsterdam Schiphol. Taxi driver couldn't find the place. Reveal the double bed standard room. Check out the amenity brand.
Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to Tree Papa's channel, and today we are at Amsterdam. Such a lovely city with rivers crossing the country and full of beautiful vibes you must visit. Since I'll fly home to Taipei tomorrow, I decided to find an airport hotel tonight. Before we unbox the Holiday Inn Express Amsterdam Schiphol, let me share how I got here. Previously, I flew out from Krakow, Poland via KLM Europe Business Class Embraer 195E2. Experienced the only lounge in Krakow Airport. The onboard dining was surprisingly great, even with only cold dishes. Check out the full details from the links below. Firstly, I'm a bit surprised about the distance between the airport and the hotel. Definitely not walking distance. And a bit disappointed that there's no shuttle bus that can connect us to the hotel. Eventually, I took a taxi to the hotel, and since there are too many people booking taxis together, the Uber charges 25 euros one way. The taxi driver took some time to find the way, and I need to walk like another 100 meters.
In the middle of nowhere. Holiday Inn Express.
The hotel atmosphere is pretty united with all Holiday Inn Express hotels, with warm welcoming and quick check-in process. Now let's move to the room tour. I was pretty thirsty at that time, and this sparkling iced tea cost me 3 euros. My room today is number 333, and the corridor design is very much a Holiday Inn Express vibe around the globe. There's only one double bed and 2 single bed types available here. Look at the floor plan, it's pretty compact to maximize the rooms in the building. Let's enter now. I chose the double bed room. It's pretty essential with bedding, working desk, and a TV, full-length mirror, and small open closet. Water boiler, coffee and tea are right here. Let's check out the toilet. It's quite clean with tap and sink, towels, and shower facility. With soap branded amenities. In summary, I personally think staying here is probably not the best airport hotel choice, because a two-way taxi costs around 40 euros, plus the room rate around 100 euros. Maybe another hotel within walking distance to the airport could be at a similar total cost for your reference. Well, this morning I need to catch a very early flight at Amsterdam Schiphol Airport. Unfortunately, I couldn't unbox the breakfast buffet. The hotel can provide a to-go breakfast. However, I refused the offer. Why? Because in my next video, I will fly KLM World Business Class to Taipei, explore the signature Crown Lounge 52 and the Blue Bar. How about the 12-hour 787 business class experience?
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.